One thing 59-year-old James Denny is thankful for when he wakes up each day.
I'm alive and I'm breathing.
Just taking a simple walk around the block is something that's been beyond his imagination for more than a decade.
It's phenomenal to feel a breeze. I haven't felt that in 10 years.
James was third on the waiting list for a double lung transplant.
I couldn't get from here to the other side of the room.
In January, a thief stole the car his wife Michelle used to take him to the doctor. The oxygen tanks James needed were inside. The problem solver stepped in to help. A man who remains anonymous saw our story and donated a BMW wagon so James would have transportation right away if he was called for his transplant. The team at the Sharpest rides dealership in Inglewood then stepped in to make a few repairs.
Glad that we can help out.
It's Shaw, we're downstairs. Everything was kept a secret until we could share the big surprise with James and his wife.
This is your new car. Oh, are you serious?
This is on behalf of the Sharpest Rides.
No idea what this means to us.
Then the call came. James was to receive his life-saving transplant. There was no time for delay. He was only likely to live for another couple of days without it.
If I hadn't gotten that car that you guys arranged for us to get, we wouldn't have been able to get to the hospital, and I would have died.
He's now getting stronger each day.
My life has changed, being able to walk across the room or being able to see my grandchildren.
What is something that you'll never take for granted, ever?
Breathing.
Shaw Turner, Fox 31.
Incredible.